Welcome back to another episode of Ghouls Garage, guys. In this episode of Ghouls Garage, we are finishing up the Chrysler 440 build for the 65 Chrysler 300. In the last video, we did the pistons, we cleaned the pistons. Before that video, we did how to clean your engine block. And before that video, I think we're tearing it down, getting it ready to be cleaned. But as you can tell, it's all put together now. I'll go through what we put on. Cleaned up the intake, put that on. As you can tell, it's original intake. Cleaned up the heads, put new valves in, and valve springs. These are Lunati valve springs. And they're about a stage 2 spring because there's 2 springs in there. As you can see, there's a second little spring in there. All the way through, and then brand new valves in there. Same thing on this side as well. New valve springs. Lunati, same thing. Got the Lunati top end kit, or Lunati complete valve trim kit, which comes with your springs, your cam, which is also put in, your timing chain, your lifters. So as you can tell, the timing chain's put in, the cam's in, the crank's in, the pistons are in, the oil pickup is in, that's a new one, we just reconditioned it. Fuel pump's in, soft plugs are in, or freeze plugs, however you want to say that. New head bolts are installed. They are ARP head bolts. These are only bolts that we didn't reuse since there's so many bolts. There's got to be a reason why they have that many bolts, so we wanted to beef it up a little bit. A note: when you're installing the ARP fasteners, they have like a little indent in them, and it kind of sits down, and you want that facing up. If not, then in the ARP manual it says it will cause failure. So we went through, put all those up. So there it is. It's all primered. As you can see, oil pan is not installed. Got the pickup in. See, get your little bottom end view here. All pistons and everything installed. Got the main caps, new bearings and everything. We're going to be painting the engine this Chrysler blue. It's a 65 Chrysler blue. And that's the year of the car. It's a 65 Chrysler 300 that we're going to be installing this in. And here's the oil pan. We're going to be leaving it that color, or that finish, whatever you want to say, after we paint this engine that blue. As you walk over here, you can see that the water pump is fully reconditioned. I used a wire wheel on this and I primered it all. And then I took off this water pump, the main water pump housing for it, I guess you want to call it. And this is a new one, so we just primered it all. And we're going to be painting that Chrysler blue as well. So I'll do a quick video of me painting the engine. So stay tuned.